Welcome to Brightly Storytime. I'm Miss Linda. When you think of monsters, what comes to mind? Are they big, scary, ooey gooey, slimy, and grimy? I bet you don't think of monsters celebrating Valentine's Day, but that's exactly what Snoodle wants to do in today's book. Can she get her friends on board? Let's find out together in Be My Valentine, written by Kris Tarantino, illustrated by Cori Doerrfeld. Meet the monsters. A tad gruffy, a bit grumpy, and definitely not lovey-dovey, which makes Snoodle an unusual monster. I love candy hearts and fun parties and fuzzy kittens and fancy hats and sparkly stickers. And Valentines. But monsters don't do Valentine's Day. We're tough, says Iggy. Love's icky, snaps Zizi. What's love anyway, grumps Fleck. Snoodle decides there's only one thing to do. I'll prove Valentine's Day is the best. Bomp, clomp, stomp. When Snoodle tries to show her friends how to decorate a box, the monsters go wild. But Snoodle keeps her cool in the chaos. After all, love is patient. Oops! Monsters aren't good with scissors. But without an opening, where will the Valentines go? Fleck knows just what to do. Use his claws to cut. It's not exactly what Snoodle pictured, but that's okay, because love is always kind and never rude. Thank you. Time to perk things up. Nothing is better than balloons. Monsters love balloons. Oh no! Not many balloons are left. Pop, 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 pop. Snoodle is upset, but then she counts to 10. Forget balloons, she tells Zizi. Let's try blowing bubblegum bubbles instead. Because love isn't quick to get angry. Maybe decorating with streamers will be easier. Wowza! That's a lot of tangled up, taped up monsters. This isn't working out the way Snoodle hoped. She can't help but giggle though, because even when things get sticky, love doesn't remember mistakes. Sticky. Stuck. It's cupcake and cookie time. Everyone gets in the groove. Oh my! More monster messes. But Snoodle knows a few globs of frosting don't matter, because love looks at more than just the outside. It sees the heart. Looking around, Snoodle realizes this party is nothing like she imagined. It's too messy, too sticky, too monstery to be perfect. Burp. But then Snoodle remembers. Love doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes love is just plain fun. I love monster mayhem too. One more thing will make this party just right. Snoodle rolls out some fancy paper and searches for the perfect words. Burp with me, Valentine. Me eat you up. Bug breath. Cute and creepy. Monsterific. Because love always trusts, always hopes, always keeps trying until it feels just right. Be my Valenslime. G for me? Aw, I'm oozing. And before you know it, love changes you. We need a hug. Because love always finds a way. Even for monsters. I'm so happy everyone was able to celebrate in a way that was right for them. Do you have any special twists you would put on Valentine's Day? Whatever you do, I'm sure it'll show off your unique style. Come back to read more stories together anytime you'd like, or find more books to read yourself at readbrightly.com. Bye!